Hello, good afternoon. My name is Crisela Baroa, and next I will display passive voice. Okay, use a passive. To be able to use passive voice is so important and need to know the following. Passive voice is used when the focus is in action. It is not important or no. Who what is performing the action. Example, he ate all of the cookies. The formal. The passive voice is formal with the auxiliary verb to be and the past participle of the verb. Example, in my previous presentation, I have subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus past participle. In order to make a prior in passive voice, you need for past. The one past is the object of activity prior becomes the subject of passive. Second past is the subject of the main sentence because an agent complete of the passive. And past three is so important because this is a finally oration. The main verb is replaced with the auxiliary to be at the same time together with the main verb in participle. And the finish is we make mention in the sentence of the subject that perform and be performed be the proposition be. When I am mentioning true past, it's important the auxiliary verb because it's a finally narration in the complete. And example, I have two example. The one is the book was written with Martin. The two example is the room will be cleaning with the housekeeper. Sorry. And this is all for me. Thanks for your attention and thank you.